My name's Chris Williams. I'm the Senior Project Manager for Houle Electric on the Cowichan District Hospital replacement project. I've been with Houle for 27 years. On the Cowichan District Hospital project, looked at using Gripple for suspending multi-tier electrical systems. Laid out insert with plan to utilize the Gripple Unigrip 2 and Unigrip 3 suspension systems so that we could insert them into the concrete, drop them down, install our high-level conduit systems, tie the low level up so that it was ready for us to come back at a later date. When we did our low level and mid level installations, all we had to do was cut a couple cables, drop the Gripple down, and install our conduits.
The Gripple product that we install, we pin up to the ceiling and move it out of their way so that in the future it avoids trade damage and injuries on site.
3/8 rod hanging down from the ceiling. It can be extremely dangerous if you're not aware of it. You have to go through the process of flagging it. This is so simple. You just tie it up to the ceiling, drop it down, cut it when you're ready to install. No other methods of install needed, no other tools needed. You just throw your conduit on there, strap it down, and you're on your way.
My name is Brett Sampson with Viaduct Sheet Metal. I've been doing HVAC for 23 years. We've used Seismic, Gripple Seismic throughout this entire project where applicable. Blended very well with our traditional and now using the Gripple. Variety of areas where we're finding it tight areas where we can't get the standard Seismic installed.
I find it user-friendly and cooperative, basically in tight spots. Like, saves time.
Territory managers that we've worked with have been very proactive and helpful in our product selection and design and use of approach. Gripple's worked with us to reduce the packaging, being able to ship in bulk packaging, allowing us to utilize the material, inventory it in our prefab factory so that work was ready to come to site and be installed with no garbage or no waste landing on the project.
I would definitely recommend using the Gripple product in the future. It has worked out well for us on this site, kept us very efficient and lean. Safety-wise, definitely recommend using Gripple on future projects.